What's up, ladies and gentlemen, weapons? What I'm bringing to you today is actually a new microphone setup. It is a Focusrite 2x2 Scarlett Solo bundle, and I'll put the link in the description on where you can actually get this on Amazon. But what it comes with is this right here. So we're going to just do a little unboxing, and here's the pop filter it comes with. It comes with two XLR cables in the box. That's the box it came in right here. Right there. There's one XLR cable and there's the other XLR cable. Here is the mic stand. It is by Monoprice. It's the mic stand, and I'll take this out and I'll show you here in just a little bit. And then here should be the Scarlett bundle. So, hi Nutmeg. No, you can't have that. But hold on just a minute and I'll be right back. Alright, so we're back. Alright, so what we got in here is the Focusrite Solo bundle. So I'm going to open this up with my handy dandy knife. And then later on in the video I'll actually show you how to set up the microphone and how to download everything and all that jazz. So here's the box. It has the microphone, the headset, the audio interface, and then it also has software included with an XLR cable, a red XLR cable as well. So we'll go ahead and do the unboxing. And here's what's in the box. I don't know if y'all can see that right now. No, hold on. Let's do that. I'm going to take that off, and here is the mic mount, and that's an adapter for another. That's the mount. The Scarlett Studio headset with a 1/4 inch to 3.5 millimeter, actually a 3.5 millimeter jack with a 1/4 inch adapter to it. Here's the Focusrite audio interface. Open that up real fast. Nice color to it. So you've got the XLR mic input, the instrument input, phantom power, line and instrument input, monitor for your speaker monitors, and direct monitoring for your 1/4 inch headphone jack. And then your speakers plug into here, and then that's your power, type B USB power. Here's the microphone. That's really nice. Feels really nice. It's a cardioid XLR microphone. It's a condenser microphone. Type B USB. It goes with the Focusrite interface, quick start guide, and your XLR microphone cable. So that's what's in the box, and let me get it set up and I'll show you how it looks, how it sounds, and all that jazz. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, weapons? I just want to bring y'all a quick little video. Let me turn the sound up actually on this so y'all can actually hear me. I just want to bring you a quick little video and show you how to set this up, how this sounds. Basically it's plug and play. You go to download the software on the actual box. You go to Focusrite.com/register, and then once you go into OBS for the streamers, you want to go to your settings up here, and then you go to down mix to mono. So because it's an XLR, you want to down mix to mono. So after that, you should be all set and ready to go to stream. And thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen, weapons. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.